DPS TeleClass.
Today I am here to take your next lesson for grade 2 students. Today's topic is 3 digits place value. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Before starting today's lesson, let's recite the dua.
قال رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي.
Students, did you enjoy the last class? I hope you all have enjoyed in the last class. I was so excited that you completed all that work. Before going to start today's lesson, let's recall our previous lesson. What did we learn in the previous lesson? Do you remember, students? Yes, we learned about skip counting. Okay, before starting today's lesson, here is a quiz. You have to skip count by fives and complete the missing numbers. Are you all ready? I will give you 15 seconds. Okay, start. Okay, shall I start? Okay, the first number is 25. Second number is 30, 35. What could be the next number? Yes, 40 and 45, 50. Yes. Here is another question. In this time you have to count by threes. Okay, you are ready? Let's start. 66, 69, 72, 75, 78 and 81. Students, this is your last question. In this question you have to skip count by twos. Okay, I will give you 5 seconds. Within 5 seconds you have to come up with your answers. Okay, shall I start? Okay, what is the next number? 60. Is it correct? Yes. 18. And what is the next number? Yes, 20. 22, 24 and 26. You did a good job. You all know now how to skip count, right? Okay, now let's look at today's learning intention and success criteria. Today we are learning 3 digits place value. And now let's look at how we will successful in today's lesson. You will be a star if you can identify greater and smaller number from the given exercise, and draw the beads on the abacus to show the given numbers correctly, and arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. Now let's look at the meaning of place value. Place value is the value of the digit according to its position in the number, such as ones, tens and hundreds. Now let's read with me, okay? Place value is the value of the digit according to its position in the number, such as ones, tens and hundreds. Now let's look at an example of how we can understand place value using an abacus. This is a spike abacus. In the 3 spike abacus, the first one is 100 and the second one is tens and the third one is ones. In ones we call another name of units. An abacus is an instrument that can be used for counting and knowing the place value of each digit in a number. The digits are represented using beads. The first one is ones. Let's count how many beads are in this spike. 1, 2 and 3. And this is tens. In tens spike, in this spike we have 1 and 2. And this is hundreds. In this spike we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it means 623. Now let's look at another example. Now let's do this number and we have to draw beads in these spikes. So from here, from where we have to start? Yes, we have to start from ones. In ones column, which number is there? Yes, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. In tens column it is 3, right? So we have to draw 3 circles here. 1, 2 and 3. In 100 spikes we have to draw how many circles, students? Yes, 2. 1, 2. So that means 234. Now let's look at how we can write this number with the help of place value. Yes, the first column is hundreds and the second column is tens and the third column is units. So 5 we have to write in the 100 columns and 2 we have to write in the tens column and 9 we have to write in the unit columns. So now let's look at another way we can write. Yes, we have to write here 500. The second column we have to write 2 means in this 2 is in tens column, so we have to write 20 and in units we have to write only 9. And now let's do this number. Yes, in 100 column we have to write 3. In tens column we have to write 0. In units column we have to write 7, right? Now let's write in another way. Yes, 300 means you have to write 300. 10 in tens column, here it is 0, so that means you have to write 0. And this is units column, so that means you have to write only 7, right? No need to write 70. Okay, now this is your turn. You have to tell me the answer with the help of this abacus. I will give you 5 seconds. Within 5 seconds you have to tell me the answer. Okay, okay, shall I start? Yes, in the 100 spikes we have how many beads, students? Yes, 5 beads. In the 10 spike we have 1 and 2 spikes, right? In one spike we have 4 beads, so that means 524, right? Yes, you did a good job. Now let's write, we have to write 5 in hundreds column and 2 in tens column and 4 in units column, right? In another way we have to write 500 in 100 columns and 20 in tens column and 4 in units column. In this time you have to form a smallest number using the following number. I will give you a number. Using this number you have to create a smallest number. Okay, are you all ready? Okay, let's start. Yes, we can create 112, right? So we have to draw 2 circles in unit spike and 1 in 10 spike, and again we have to draw 1 in 100 spike, so that means 112. Students, this is another question of small. In this task also you have to form a smallest number using the following numbers. Here it is, say 763. 763. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. Yes, we can create 367 using these numbers. Okay, right? So how can you draw beads using this spike abacus? Yes, we have to start from units. In units, how many are there? Yes, we have to draw 7 beads in unit spike. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And again we have to draw 6 beads in 10 spike. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. In 100 spikes we have to draw 3 beads. 1, 2 and 3. So this means 367. I hope you understood how you can form a smallest number. This time we are going to create a largest number using the following numbers. Okay, so here it is 123. So 1, 2, 3. So how you can create a largest number using these numbers? Okay, now think and tell me. Okay, shall I start? What is the answer here? Yes, 321. How can you draw beads in this abacus? Yes, always we have to start from units, right? From units, how many are there? Yes, 1. In tens column, how many are there? Yes. In tens spike, we have to draw 2 beads, 1 and 2. In 100 spikes, we have to draw 3 beads, 1, 2 and 3. So that means this is 321. Students, now let's look at another example of form a largest number using the following numbers. And this time we have 352. So do we have to form a smallest number? No, we have to create a largest number using this number. Okay, I will give you 5 seconds. Within 5 seconds you have to come with the correct answer. Okay, shall I start? Yes, we can create using this number 532. So how can we draw beads in this spike abacus? From where we have to start? Yes, we have to start from units. So in units, how many are there? Yes, 2. 1, 2. In tens spike, how many are there? 1, 2 and 3. In 100 spikes, how many are there? We have to draw how many beads? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 532. Okay, this is another task for you. In this task you have to arrange the numbers in ascending order. We already learned ascending and descending order, right? I hope you know the meaning of ascending and descending. Okay, what is the meaning of ascending? Yes, ascending means we have to arrange the numbers in smallest to largest, right? So these are the numbers. Using these numbers, you have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. Okay, think and tell me. Okay, now let's arrange the numbers in ascending order. The first number is 122, and the second number is 238, and the third number is 321, and the next number is 345. Who can tell me the next answer? Yes, 456. Excellent. Okay, so what is the next number? Yes, 568. Okay, what is the next number? Who can tell this time? Okay, tell me. Yes, 698. What is the last number? Yes, 987. 7. In this way we have to arrange the numbers in ascending order. Okay, now this is your last activity. Arrange the numbers in descending order. Who can tell me the meaning of descending? Yes, descending means we have to arrange the numbers in largest to smallest, right? Okay, so using these numbers you have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. Okay, I will give you I will give you 5 seconds again, and you have to think and tell me the answer. Have you done, students? Okay, let's start. Which number is first? Yes, we have to start from 713, and the next number is 688. Okay, what is the next number? Who can tell? You all have done the answers, right? Okay, yes, the third answer is 540. And this, what is the next number? Yes, 411. And the next number is 300. And who can tell me the next number? Yes, 223. And what is the next number? Yes, the last number is 217. You did a good job. Okay, here comes today's task. This is the task of today. Today's task is you have to do page 7, 8, 9 and 11, page 11, question 30 on your mathematics textbook. And also you have to, all the students do remember to write the date, okay, and take a picture of your work and send me through Viber. Before we end up our lesson, I hope you all understood today's task. And if you have any doubt, and you can call your teacher or text me through Viber, and you can clear your doubts. Okay, before we end our lesson, let's have a look at to the success criteria again. And you will be a star if you can identify the greater and smaller number from the given exercise. What you have to do, students? Yes, you have to identify the greater and smaller number from the given exercise and draw the beads on the abacus to show the given numbers correctly. And also you have to arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. What does ascending mean, students? Yes, ascending means you have to arrange the numbers in smallest to largest. In descending order, we have to start from largest to smallest, right? We have to arrange largest number to smallest. So I hope you all enjoyed the lesson, and you all have understood all the task of the day. Thank you, students. Stay safe, stay home. Bye bye.
DPS TeleClass